Hey friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel. I am joined by my little buddy Pumbaa, who decided to lay down right on top of my desk as I was starting to film, but we are going to welcome him anyways because that's what this channel is all about. But anyways, for today's video I decided to unbox my Lunarly box for the month of April. So I'm excited to see what cool new goodies I've gotten this to help with some self-care and relaxation on my days off from work. So, if you'd like to hang out with me and Pumbaa and see what I got, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, now we are joined by both Pumbaa and Artemis, obviously because I have a box that they want to play with and chew and fight over. So if you don't already know, Lunarly is a monthly subscription box. It is $40 a month and it alternates between months on whether you get a plant friend or a candle. So this month's is a candle. So when you first open the box, you have another box, a box inside of a box. And this has the other main goodies inside of it. And then down at the bottom is usually where the candle is. So get this out. There, go play. There, go play with the box. There, want the box? Why don't you go inside the box? Want to go inside the box? Go inside the box. Alright, so I can already smell amazing things coming from this box, or maybe it's the candle. But let's see what type of candle we have. So really the only scent I'm getting is baby powder or talcum powder. But maybe it's just a protective coating or something. But there's definitely something else. Kind of floral underneath. So this is the Flower Moon, but this doesn't have what scent or what is in here. So we'll open up our other little box and see if it gives us more information on what exactly that candle is supposed to smell like. So let's see. Okay, so right on top we have this little pamphlet as well as this card that you get in each box. So first off, we have this flower because the new moon in April is called the Flower Moon. So it gives you the dates on the moon cycles. So the new moon is April 22nd, the first quarter moon is April 30th, full moon is May 7th, and the last quarter moon is May 14th. So the Flower Moon is named for warmer temperatures, although it's been snowing here in Batavia, New York for the past couple of days, but whatever. So it's named for the warmer temperatures and the reemergence of nature's fertility. The Flower Moon was known by the Cherokee as a time of emerging beauty, a time of rejuvenation. Enjoy the elevation and transformation this full moon brings. So an intention to inspire. The root of all that ails me grounds me. I am renewed in the blossoming of my spirit. Can I help you, sir? Can I help you? Yes, I know you like boxes. Here, go play with this box down here. Okay, so let's figure out what this candle is actually supposed to smell like, because I'm literally just getting baby powder. So the Flower Moon candle is supposed to have rose, moss, and orange. Again, it smells like talcum powder and then maybe a hint of floral underneath there. Or maybe it's the moss that smells like that. I don't even know what moss is supposed to smell like, but maybe if I start burning this, it will start to smell a little bit better. But anyways, it says, let this bouquet of delightful scents bring cheer, love, and charity into your heart. A touch of rose for romance, moss for connection, and orange for determination create a grounded foundation for positive change. Light this candle to remind yourself of the golden opportunities that await you as you settle into a calm, centering meditation practice. So hopefully again, when I start burning this, it will smell a little bit better than it does now. Now onto the rest of the goodies in here. All right, so the first thing again is in this little pouch. So this is usually whatever stone or rock or gemstone that they have for the month. So let's take it out and see. Oh, cool. So we've got this tiny little geometric square type thing, and it's almost has a mirrored reflection. This is neat. So this is called cuboid pyrite. It naturally forms into perfect metallic cubes. Its reflective surface calls on you to look inward and ask how you can bring more abundance into your life. That's why Pirate's energy is known for attracting wealth. Well, if that stimulus check deposits into my bank account anytime soon, then I definitely believe that this is attracting wealth, but we'll see. So just like Pirate, abundance comes in many forms. When you work with the stone, visualize how you'd like to enrich your life, whether it's financially, socially, or spiritually. Visualize how you will bring that to a reality. Cool. Oh my gosh, my kitten is getting all sorts of things. All right, so that one is probably the coolest stone or like rock that I've gotten in my box thus far. So that one is really cool. I also have this little tiny thing on top. Brass Metal Revitalize, a thinking egg. What is a thinking egg? Brass metal composed of copper and zinc. Brass has been said to have healing properties to boost the immune system while also increasing melatonin, sleep and wakefulness. So this is the origin, but not spelled the way you think it would. Thinking egg. Spring is a season of new beginnings, and we can't have those without reflection. Use this brass thinking egg as a tool to help you ground your spirit and elevate your thoughts. So hold the brass egg as you take deep, mindful breaths. Feel its cool, smooth weight in your hand, connecting you to the present moment. Don't edit your thoughts. Allow your mind to journey until you recognize an area that calls for more focus. So if I can figure out how to open this thing. Kind of like in a Ziploc bag, but it's not easy to open. And I kind of have nails now, so it's like really hard to open. Hey, quit messing with my drawers. Hey, knock it off. Thanks. All right, there we go. Oh, so it's kind of like Eastery, which is good for the month of April. So it definitely is just like a brass egg. That's pretty heavy for a little thing. I don't know. I'm actually curious if this will boost melatonin. Doesn't smell like anything, but it is pretty heavy. Like, I don't know, I think this is like cool if you would put it like in a pouch like this and then put it into your pockets, and then you can just like feel that weight. So that way, like if you need to focus on something else, then you like your thoughts in your mind, you could just focus on this little egg. And I think that is really neat. Some of you guys might think this is all like a bunch of, you know, bull poopy, but I think this stuff's pretty cool. And yes, I did say bull poopy, and if you know the reference to a certain book series about vampires, and no, it's not Twilight, it is a better book series, then you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, I will mention that in the description below because I think it's one of the best vampire series, and there's like a bunch of books, and I know my mom would know because she's read them too. But it's a good book series if you are interested in finding a new sci-fi type of book. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is really cool. This is a rose natural petal serum, and it looks like it actually has petals in there. Quit messing with my rocks, please. So that looks really cool. This is the Spa Life Natural Petal Serum. Maintaining dewy, fresh skin during the flower moon calls for this petal serum. It's made from flowers formulated to give your skin a radiant boost. So it says, apply 3 to 5 drops of serum to clean skin nightly. Massage in upward motion until serum is fully absorbed into the skin. For optimal benefits, follow up with a moisturizer. This is probably one of the prettiest things I've ever gotten. And this, for a serum, is like huge. Come on. Ooh. Oh, that smells like really light and springy. Yeah, like it's not like super fragrance. It's just very light. And for a serum, it's not like super heavy or like super oily feeling, and it absorbs into the skin like really nicely. That's really nice. I'm really excited to give this a try. I mean, I already have a bunch of other serums that I put on at night, but some of them I put on during the day. So maybe I'll just put this one on at night. But again, like I can't get over how pretty that is. Wow. Like those are actual like flower petals. I don't want to use this up because they're so pretty. Okay, so I think this is the last thing in here. And again, it's by Dime Beauty. I didn't like know of this brand. I've never heard of it until I got Lunarly. So I already got the Dime Hyaluronic Serum in a 1 box, and I absolutely love it. It is so moisturizing, great for dry skin, even good for oily skin if you're one of those people. But this one is the Dime Immune Boost Essential Oil Blend. So I like how they have stuff in here to help with your immune system. They must know about the whole virus thing, and they maybe like tailored the box to help with our immune systems, but I don't know. So spring dawns a new light, awaken your senses with this boosting blend of essential oils designed to help keep your immunity on the sunny side. So this is really cool. I have like 2 diffusers in the house. So it says this is blended with a powerful combination of oils like eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint, clove, and more. Roll onto your wrists for an aromatic boost. Oh, so this is like a roller ball? Oh, it is. Okay, that's cool. Smells so good. I'm trying to figure out, like, maybe it's the clove. I can definitely smell that. Oh, this is cool. Like, I have some roller balls, but like they're really messy. I get all over the place, but this one's really nice. It smells really good. Oh, that's cool. So that was the last thing. The one thing that I don't like about the Lunarly box is that it doesn't have any price points like in this little pamphlet that it gives you. But I'm guessing for most of it you could probably find it online. Like at least like the Dime Beauty, the Petal Serum, maybe the Thinking Egg, but like I don't know about the rocks, how you can price those. And then like the candle, I don't know if they had like a place where they'd be like, oh, this is how much the candle's worth, but I don't know. So yeah, this is probably like a really good box. I'm really excited about this. I can't get over how cute this looks, so I'm really excited to try this out. Alright guys, so that is everything in my Lunarly box. I hope you liked this video. And if any of you end up subscribing to this box, please let me know. I think it's one of the most unique types of subscription boxes I have been a part of. It's definitely not for everyone. If you're really into meditation, into yoga, into any type of Buddhist practices, I think this is one of the perfect boxes that you could subscribe to. Alright guys, so that is everything. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe for more videos like this. And I think the next one I will be doing is my BoxyCharm base box and premium unboxings once my second box gets here. So that is all. If you guys subscribe to my channel, then I welcome you to my feline family. Bye guys.